Hello and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Please relax and enjoy Foundation 9. There is no need to memorize anything, you are doing really well. Now, listen to the English words for today. Just listen. This, that, good, bad, here, there, is, not. Okay, listen to the words again and repeat them after me. This, this, that, that, good, good, bad, bad, here, here, there, there, is, not, not, good, slowly but surely. Now we can make some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. This is, that is, this is good, that is bad, this is here, that is there, this is not good, that is not bad, not good, not here. I see this. You see that. Come here. Go there. Good. Now, listen to this simple story using all of the words. I am here now. You are there. I see this. You see that. This is good. That is bad. I say come here. You do not come. I feel sad now. You look at that. You say, that is not good. Now you come here. We sit and talk. This is good now. Today is a good day. Finally, let us hear the English words one more time. This, that, good, bad, here, there, is, not. Okay, that is all for today. Well done. Rest now and I will see you for Foundation 10. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share and subscribe.